Hey guys, and welcome back to Mesha's Corner. So today I'm going to be making a spicy BLT sandwich. So let's get started. I'll be using some King's Hawaiian bread. So yeah. Alright, so in this bowl I have mayo and parsley. You want to add some lemon juice to this. About a couple tablespoons. And then I'm also going to add my scotch bonnet hot pepper sauce. You can use the pepper sauce that you have on hand, but I love the flavor of that, and some salt. You want to mix this up really well, put it in the refrigerator to chill until we're ready to use it. Alright, so here's my assembly line. I have my crispy bacon ready to go. I have my lettuce sliced up ready to go, and I have my tomatoes nice and ready to go. Alright, so this is my bread right here, nice and toasted up on both sides. So we're going to assemble. First, you want to put down the mayo mixture that we just made down on your bread. Then on top of that, you want to add your lettuce. Lettuce loves a good dressing or mayo. It soaks it right up. Then you're going to add your beefy tomatoes right on top of that. You guys could go in whatever direction you want to. This is just the route I chose to take. Then on top of that, you want to add your crispy bacon. Now you can add, I'm not going to tell anyone how much bacon to add on their sandwich, but I know that I'm going to pile it on there. So you put the amount that you prefer and what works for you. My mouth is even watering right now looking at this while I'm editing. But yeah, I'm going to pile it right on there. It looks so good and it smells so good. I love the dressing. It's delicious. Alright, so this is what it looks like. It's big, but once you push it down and slice it in half, it's going to be good to go. I'm going to insert a picture right at the end so you guys can see. So thanks for stopping by, guys. I hope you give this a try, and I'll catch you guys next time on my next video. Okay, guys. Bye.